Technical Director at Jamaica College, Ferguson, says despite the criticisms during their 2019 campaign, the plan was always to remain at the institution.
The Manning Cup title in his first season at the Old Hope Road-based school, but was often criticized for the way the team played. However, the former St. Jago High coach says the negative perception didn't affect him.
At no point in time I ever thought about giving up. As a matter of fact, I don't think I listened to a lot of the outside noise. A lot of them was basically brought to my attention. So I never really pay attention, and I'm not one to really quit. So that never really crossed my mind at all.
Ferguson, though, admits the performance of the team was not always attractive.
What is important as a coach is that wherever you go with your beliefs, your concepts, your principles, your ideas of the game. And you don't change that. So whoever is employing you, they know exactly what you bring. It is hard over the course of 4 to 5 months to really see the real philosophy of a coach, Ferguson. But I believe that we saw good organization, we saw a very good transition, which are hallmarks of really how we want to play.
Ferguson, who also lost to eventual winners Kingston College in the Champions Cup semi-final, says with more time he expects the team to play his brand of football.
Over the long haul now, I think that's how we have to judge it in terms of have I made an impact in getting the players or getting Jamaica College to play the brand of football that I want. As a coach, a team is always a reflection of you, the coach, not of the spectators, not of anybody else, but as you, the coach.
JC was denied a double after losing to Clarendon College in the final of the Olivia Shield. Bernardo Brown for TVJ Sports.